Hello everybody. This is my first video on the new channel. Please don't say this is upside down. But I'm gonna be taking this and putting it in here. Let's see what happens. Where? Sorry. Is anything gonna happen? So I see bubbles in it. Bubbles. Still more bubbles. Please. More bubbles. That smell. What if I put my hand in it? You know what we need something else. So it's bubbling. Hey Mom, can you bring something? Okay, so should I put my hand in it? And I've seen that there's glue in this. There was glue on that dishwasher thing. But it's bubbling. Mom, can you get me some salt? I want to see. We need to see what will happen. Can you get some salt? Can you get some salt? And we'll see what happens. So, Odin, don't knock it down. Can you bring the salt to me? Because I can't pause it. Look what's happening. It's bubbled. As you can see, it's bubbled. There's the bubbles. Oops. Why? Can you bring the salt over here? You got salt? No, I can't come because it's like I can't pause this. Thank you for the salt. And now we're gonna pour the salt in. Now let's see what happens. The smell. But doesn't seem like anything's happening yet. But let's see. So there's the salt, and there's the vinegar dishwasher. Seems like it does nothing. Well, let's end the video.